Today, let's take a look at the Romanian deadlift. I like to abbreviate it as RDL, so if you see that in your program, our Romanian deadlift. It's a straight leg deadlift, so no major movement to the knees, it's all in a hip hinge. Our knees are soft, but there's no movement happening through them. So I'll just show demo without weight first. Knees are soft, feet are hip width apart, toes are parallel to each other. Head, shoulders, hips stacked on top of each other. Okay, there should be good core activation and form is solid and straight up top. Okay, hinging at the hips. Okay, I should feel a stretch in my hamstrings at the bottom. Head, shoulders, hips still straight in a line. There's no rolling. There's no reaching out of my shoulders. Everything is retracted, straight, strong, and stand back to the top. So head, shoulders, hips, bowing down, hinging at the hips, standing tall, hamstrings and glutes getting back to the top. So now when we add weight to that, same thing. Stand tall, set the core, keep the shoulders rolled back and retracted, hinge, feel the stretch, stand, okay? These could be dumbbells, kettlebells, barbell, hinging down, feel the stretch in your hamstrings, knees are soft but not moving. All of that movement happens through the hips. Make sure when we're hinging down, especially as this load gets heavier and heavier, that we're not letting these shoulders reach down. So if my shoulders are retracted, I'm hinging and I'm keeping my shoulders, my arms are hanging, but I'm not letting them fall forward. Okay, so shoulders retracted, and you'll start to feel that in your upper back. Stand tall, and there you go. Get after that RDL.